Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. Before we get started, I want to let you know that you can find all the code example and resources we'll be using today in the GitHub Repository linked in the video description below. This repository serves as a valuable companion to the tutorial, allowing you to follow along, experiment, and explore the code on your own time. Hello guys and welcome back. Today we're going to elevate our Next.js skills by discovering a new interesting aspect, that is how to customize pages. While Next.js provides us with out-of-the-box pages for authentication, we're going to have the ability to craft our own pages, allows us to integrate authentication into the unique design and flow of our applications. So before creating a page from scratch, I want to show you the customizing option. We are going to add in our auth option object, and inside this attribute we are going to change. For example, I want to change my sign-in page from white to dark. We can change, for example, the color scheme, and we can add light. It's already light. We add the dark. Let's see how it changed. First of all, let's launch our application, npm dev. Here we go. Let's refresh the page. Now it's going to be dark. We can, for example, change the brand color. Here we can change we can add a logo. We're going to put a logo here. We just specify logo and we give the absolute path of the image. It has to be absolute, don't forget it. If you see the documentation, you can discover many other parameters to customize this page. Let's see how to create our own page. We have to add here pages, and we have to input the path. For example, we want to change our sign-in page in a new page that the path is going to be hot sign in, and now we have to create our folder that is not going to use the app route anymore, but we have to create a new folder outside app, and it's going to be pages. Inside pages we are going to put our auth, and then we create our sign-in pages. So let's create the page. First of all, we have to import the get server side props context and the infer get server side props type. This is from Next. To use this from Next, here we go. We also have to import the module get CSRF token from NextAuth React. Here we go. So export default function sign in. I'm going to create the sign in page. Inside the parameters of the page, we have to specify the CSRF token is going to be this type, and we specify type of get server side props here. Okay, we return our form. Let's create a form here. It's going to be normal form. The method is going to be post, and the action, I want to activate our route. That's it is in API, auth, callback, and credential. This is our route. that will make the callback for credential. So the form is here. Let's create an input field that we call first one. The name is, okay, the first input we have to specify that is the token. The type is hidden, we don't want to see that, and the default value is this one. This way we transfer the token to our server. Here we go, we close the tag. Let's declare the label first. So the label is going to be username. We want to add a second field that is password. Okay, we have these two. Want to add a third field that is the email, and the input is the email, and the type is text. Here we go. And at the end we need a submit button. Type submit. We create our form. The form is ready. So now we have to use a get server side props function to get from the server the CSRF token that we need for our form. Actually, this function runs on the server and fetches the token. Of course, if you use Next.js, you know what is a get server side props function. Anyway, it's a function that allows you to fetch data on the server side and pass it as a props to the component. So in this case, we are going to pass to this form component, and it happens before the page is rendered. It's commonly used for server-side rendering in Next.js application. Actually, this is a server-side render page. The function is we export a synchron function, get server-side props, and we get this module. We're going to return as a props that we import from the server. So is the props is our token, CSRF token, and function is the one that we import from here, from NextAuth. It's going to use the context as parameter. And here we go. We have our function. Let's try to open our customized space. Let's try. We sign it. And here we go. This is our page. Of course, it's like there is no CSS styling. We have to customize as we want, but all the logic are implemented. NextAuth is replacing the built-in page with our new page that is here. We have reached the end of this video tutorial, and I genuinely hope you have enjoyed its content. If it has been helpful to you, please show your support by liking the video and sharing it with your friends on social media. If you haven't already, I warmly invite you to subscribe to my channel to stay updated on upcoming lessons. Don't forget to check out my website, devergolabs.com, where you will find a plethora of interesting programming content. You can also send me collaboration requests and explore all the programming services we offer. Your participation and support are crucial in my growing and to grow this community and providing you with even more valuable resources. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for being here with us, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video tutorial.